Hello everyone, I have a new tutorial for you guys and it's called Ocean Breeze. It is a blue-green look. If you're interested in knowing how to create this look or recreate it, keep on watching. Using NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, I am going to spread that on my eyelid a little bit past the crease using my clean fingers. This will help the colors pop. Grabbing a lime green color with a flat shader brush, I am going to pat that shadow right on my lid from my inner corner out halfway, leaving the other half blank, and patting it nicely there. Now taking a darker green, I'm going to pat that on the other half and pushing it into the crease a little bit. Using the same brush as I have to make sure those two green colors blend together so there won't be any harsh line in the middle of my eyelids. Now taking a big fluffy brush, I'm going to blend everything out. Grabbing for a blue shadow, I'm going to place that in my crease, focusing on the outer corner. Blend, 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 sister. Pushing that shadow to my inner corner. You can go however farther you want, but I'm going to keep it there. Now taking a big fluffy brush, I'm going to blend that out so there won't be any harsh lines. Now going back in with that blue again, since I lost some color, I'm going back into the crease and outer corner just a little bit. And my crease, and blending that out with the fluffy brush. And going back in with that green, the dark green, I'm focusing on my lid in the outer corner and blending it in with the blue. Now taking a black eyeliner, I'm going to tightline my eyes for more definition so my lashes can look thicker. And using Maybelline's Edgy Emerald, I'm putting that into my lower lash line in the corner. Now taking a beautiful blue from Maybelline's Color Tattoo, Tenacious Teal, I'm putting that the rest of my lower lash line. That's what it should look like. My favorite eyeliner, I'm going to do a cat eye, a massive cat eye. Everybody looks good in a cat eye, right? My favorite lashes. I'm going to apply that onto my eyelid. I promise this time it doesn't look ratchet. Fluffing them up. And using my eyeliner, I'm going to cover the lash band so it can look more natural. Of course, you have to apply mascara on the bottom lash line. Curling my lashes so I can blend my false lashes and real lashes together. And then I'm going to apply mascara, not all the way up though, just where my real lashes are. Now I'm just going to do my foundation and stuff. La 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 la. Oh, if you're wondering what beat this is, it's from Officially Missing You by Tamia, if that's how you say her name. I found this beat really calming. And I will do, like I said again before, a separate foundation video. And usually I never highlight my face like that, but this time I will. Because the look is so dark, I want to look the pretty. Highlighting my face. Lipstick time. Remember, you guys rock. Don't ever change.